abantu bayakhuluma lapha nje nahlanya nina orimo overthinkayo lezinto orivele overthinkayo angazi ngiyabona sebakhuluma lapha kuma podcast but hey lo shaya lesizo samakhabethe unama drawer la esiswini ngithi yo angidakela wena ithuthi I think I'm too gay, Toyas. Angazi. Yeswa ngeke ngilunge into zokujola ngapha nje. Umfana makeza yima shaya bo hey ngithi sure. Ya sengicedile. Ningazeni BA. Sisu samakhabethe anginazi sisu samakhabethe anginagada nginanja mina. Understand? Hey. Isilwa nama tight. Mas ukuthi ngiyenzani tight ngine flat skirt ngine flat stomach. Yes. Ama tight abo mama uthabaza abo mama mabafaka ama tight. Faka ama tight mfana abo mama. Hayi mama yazi bas traumatized. Asamgelo ozongdansa la. Ozongdansa le tight la samgelo ozongdansa le tight. Yakalokhuluma kakhulu. Thathe lokhuluma kakhulu. Uzodansa lethatha mara mama yini lezinto ngibonisa zona. Awuthini wena? Umama wakho ngisalile ngitshelani uyahlanya. Mayenza ngathi awuziboni lezinto. Uba uthini lo? Why did you betray Mafitsotso? What do you mean when I betray ngani uthini manje wena? Ngafuna ukuswabise fast. Uthumela mina manje. Betray kanjani? Ke wangizwa ngikhuluma ngoMafitsotso. Ngoba ever since they said whatever that they said, I never even spoke about it. Tomazana.
Yes, hello, I'm ready.
Askisi. Shia lapho ke? Yeah.
Angela isanda usina kuphi?
Abothayisi baphansi.
Phansi kuphi?
Baphansi basemotweni.
Bala.
Yeah. So sisa Hayi sisa decide ngizokutshela mina khuleka.
Ngena ngizobe ngaphandle ke.
Okay, sharp.
Ne?
Sharp. So nje yazi ngidinga assistant so yeah yo okay sharp ngithi kuvela ezinye izinto nangithusa mirror reflection niboneni guys hayi ninganyenzi kanjalo yo ngiyacela le tight phela phansi ine i-design i-design yakhona inelo inembobo for ukuthi mawuchama ngomela ngokhumule yonke into yaba but yes anyways guys I never said anything after boMafitsotso bakhuluma whatever le bayikhulumayo yabo Siyalala wena uyagcoka. Uzothini? Hayi manje ngiyibona chef. So guys, I literally said anything. I mean, I didn't say anything. So legend le yang sokolisa bafethu. Yes. Wakhe wafuzela kanga. Yo, so guys, cela ningangifaki nenkinga nor nikhulume ini ngami. Mina mabaceda bakhulumile shem. Skin jean ngiyaqala uqhubeka skin jean. So angicali, but I've been into baggies for a while, so skinny jean bana ngishaya mangabe ngiyazi ukuthi ngiyemsebenzini. I understand. But now, guys, let's hide le. Take it, but say let's hide. Neighbor. Let's just bamba. So let's hide le. But if I get they are so smart because they left like a hole. But design a hole who's like Tina must come like Kubelula. Sing and tell again with Tina. I don't know good to me. I'm simple. Yeah, boy. Bye. Design we buy fagin bo. So lempo bole. Yenza ukuthi mawufuna ukukhamba. Ungasokhula. Awusamngelo bakupha. Sangela sophakamisa leji. $360. Angizenzi lezo zinto mina. Yeah. Guys. Yo, legit like mina ne. I normally isize yami ngithola Levi's. Yabo, so ayile yona mfana. Mara bathi ngibonise. Ngathi ngane legit. You understand? Naibona mara. Yo. Ay, what did you buy? I don't need pay yo. I was on your banner like mountain. Skin chin. Sinoklala like you see. Stretch man. I don't want to take a coral is a stretch. Taram les. Loud to date. Loud 16 or 16. Loud 12 for 12. But no good. Yo, guys. Like the way in transparent your convening in Bonisa Velis Desinje. I'm not sure I'm tired. I'm not tired of my face and bored. And bored. Oh. Hey. Hey. Atuba. Done.
Press off, couple.
Oh.
Yo, press out.